Hi, I'm Jodie from VIVE Cooking School. Today I'm going to teach you how to make veg stock. So all you need to do is grab a pot. Depending on how much veg stock you want to make, that will depend on the size of pot. We're going to add in some carrot, we're going to add in some leek, we're going to add in some fennel. Fennel is really nice in veg stocks. This is called fennel fronds. So you could use this or keep this as garnish, or if you don't wish to, you can just throw it straight into your veg stock. We also have some parsley, but if you have parsley stalks, this works really well as well. So using all of the herbs instead of throwing some stuff out. And then we have some peppercorns and we have some fennel seeds. So any sort of spices or whole spices you'd like to get into there, you can, okay? There's no limit to what you can put in there. The only thing that I would recommend not putting in would be things like mushrooms, because they don't do too well in veg stocks. You can add some tomato. So this is just brown onions that have been diced up as well. And then we just peel them, because the skin actually discolors your veg stock, so you don't want any discolor. You want a really nice light clean veg stock. Don't leave your onion skins on. If you want to add tomato for things like bouillon-based stocks and stuff like that, you can do that as well. We have some bay leaf and some thyme that we're going to throw in there, some aromats and some herbs. Then once you have all your veggies inside the pot there, all you need to do is bring it over to the tap, or do what I did and just bring some cold water to your veg in there and then just pour it over the top. Ideally, you want everything submerged under the water. Just keep in mind that some of the veg will float. So as long as you've got enough water in there to cover it, once it starts boiling, you're set to go. Now what we're going to do is turn the stove on and put it on max so we can bring it right up to the boil. Now a boil is big, vigorous bubbles, and everything should be moving around and crashing and smashing into each other. And then once that comes to the boil, reduce to a simmer. And veg stock is really quick, simple and easy. It takes 20 to 30 minutes. It can take as long as you want, or as little time as 20 minutes, okay? So in kitchens, in restaurants, we have veg stock on the go constantly, and we just throw in all our veg scraps into there whilst we're cooking, say like peelings from carrots and stuff like that, so we keep refreshing that flavor. And then we'll take some stock out and we'll use it for pasta sauces and such, and we'll just keep filling it up with water and veg as we go along throughout the day. For you guys at home, you can strain it off once you're done, pack it into some takeaway containers and pop it into the freezer ready for you when you make some really delicious sauces or soups. You can just take it from the freezer and just slowly melt it onto the stove top like that. Enjoy!